Hello, laundry lovers, and welcome back to Easy Solutions. Today, we're diving deep into the world of laundry equipment, exploring the latest and greatest offerings for 2023. Whether you're working with limited space or just want the best, for your laundry needs, we've got you covered. Let's jump straight to our top picks. First, we have the Panda Portable Compact Laundry Dryer, a true powerhouse in a small package. This 110 volts, 1500 watts dryer is a game changer. With a spacious 3.5 foot stainless steel tub, 13.2 pounds, it can easily handle your laundry. What sets it apart are the 4 drying modes, ensuring that your clothes are perfectly dry, no matter the type of fabric. And the best part? It's portable. Whether you're living in an apartment, RV, or dorm, this dryer's compact design fits anywhere. Say goodbye to the hassle of the laundromat and enjoy the convenience of drying at home. Next on our list is the COSTWAY Compact Laundry Dryer. Another great solution for those looking for convenience without compromising on performance. This 110 volts electric portable clothes dryer features a stainless steel tub and an easy-to-use control panel that located on the bottom. Drying modes, you can tailor your drying experience to match your clothes, ensuring the best results every time. Now, let's talk about the Electrolux White Front Load Laundry Pair. This dynamic pair includes the FL 627 UU 27 inches washer and the FMG 627 UU 27 inches gas dryer, complete with the Stackit 7X stacking kit. The two combine to provide exceptional performance, and powerhouse teams build performance. The Electrolux washer ensures deep cleaning while being gentle on your clothes. Combined with a gas dryer, your laundry dries quickly and efficiently, saving you time and energy. And Stackit 7X with a stacking kit, you can optimize vertical space, perfect for small laundry rooms. Last but certainly not least, we have the LG WM3998 front load washer and dryer combo. It combines an amazing 4.5 cubic feet smart washer and dryer all in one unit. With Wi-Fi enabled technology and Turbo Washington registered technology, this combo offers unparalleled convenience and performance. Smart features allow you to control your laundry right from your smartphone, making laundry day as easy as a few taps. Plus, Turbo Wash technology ensures a thorough clean and quick drying, which saves you time and effort. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more interesting home appliance reviews. Until next time, happy laundering.